Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com.
The project title is NC Cloud, a network coding based storage system in a cloud of clouds. Abstract. To provide fault tolerance for cloud storage, recent studies propose to strip data across multiple cloud vendors. If a cloud suffers from a permanent failure and loses all its data, we need to repair the lost data with the help of other surviving clouds to preserve data redundancy. We present a proxy-based storage system for fault tolerance, multiple cloud storage called NC Cloud, which achieves cost-effective repair for a permanent single cloud failure. NC Cloud is built on top of a network coding-based storage scheme called the Functional Minimum Storage Regenerating FMSR codes, which maintains the same fault tolerance and data redundancy as in traditional erasure codes but uses less repair tariffs and hence incur less monetary cost due to data transfer. Data flow diagram. When the project is started, the user tries to upload the file. A key is generated during this process. There are 4 types of keys named public, private, master and aggregate. These keys are used to modify or download the file which is uploaded. This key are generated using FMSR code. Once the key is generated, the proxy server starts and gets connected to the NC Cloud. The NC Cloud processing takes 3 copies of these files and saves it in 3 different layers, which are file system layer, coding layer and storage layer. In existing system, when the user modifies the file, it gets corrupted so that the user will not be able to download the original file. But in current system, even though the modification file corrupts the file loaded on one layer, the original file can be retrieved from other 2 layers based on the response time at which the file users was uploaded originally and modified. The file is downloaded using the key and the process is evaluated. Now let's see how the process works. Once the user selects a file from his location, the file gets uploaded. He then generates the aggregate attributes. It gets automatically recognize its file name, created date and time, the file type, data size and the file location. Now he clicks on store. The file gets stored on the cloud successfully. Next, he generates a key for the uploaded file. He generates a master key. The master key is 15908. He saves the key in this location. When he clicks on view, he can view the master key and its generated date and time. Next comes the public key. The public key is 94773. He saves it. When he views it, he can see the public key and its created date and time. Next, when he tries to read the file or modify the file, he clicks on the read file button. He now enters the location of the file. The same file gets read. He generates it. The public key, index and the aggregate key gets uploaded automatically. He saves it. He first enables the cloud so that he can modify the uploaded file. The cloud gets enabled and the user will be now able to modify the file uploaded. He opens the cloud storage in order to modify the file. He needs to enter the file name and the file size will be recognized automatically. In order to find the modified file, we are giving the keyword as now modified. He then saves the modified file into the cloud again. He then saves the file. Now when he tries to download the originally uploaded file, he enters the file name, and when he hits on cloud, hits on download, it says the file content is corrupted. This is the main failure in the existing system. Now, when we try the same procedure in the current existing system, let's see the procedure. He starts to download the existing file using the NC cloud. He enables the cloud server. It then saves the storage in a secured manner. The cloud takes 3 copies of the original file and it is saved in 3 different clouds. We need to first enable each and every cloud to save the original data. The first cloud is enabled and the first copy is getting saved. Cloud 1 is enabled. Then we need to verify the key in order to download the file. The key can be found in the location data owner aggregate key. When we enter the key is verified and the downloading starts. When we enter the file name and hit on download, let's see what happens. The data is downloaded successfully and this is the original data which is uploaded. Now the second cloud is enabled in order to download the file. Cloud 2 is enabled. The same procedure is followed. Cloud 2 consists of the original data and the data is downloaded. The third cloud is enabled. Again, the key is verified for the third cloud. User enters his key and the key is verified. The downloading starts and the file name is entered by the user. The download starts. Now we can see that the modified data download is successful. So the first cloud and the second cloud consist of the original data and the third cloud consists of the modified data. Thank you.